All right, guys. Today, your boy passed another account, bro. As you can see, today. This is today. You can see. Yep, 6 hours ago. Well, not 7:05. My computer time is wrong, but around like 10 o'clock after New York session, I completed another account with these two trades. All right. First thing first. I was on Nasdaq. It looked like this at the start. Now it's looking like this. Shit, right? It looked like shit today. It's consolidating all day. 9:30 finally kicked off. I was expecting some sales just due to because we are already in this bearish trend. But we did break out of that though, and we just got to break and retest of that. So my fault totally. I knew I called it too, but I'm like, I was expecting sales, bro. So look, this is what happened on NAS today. So around 9:30ish, right here, I lost this first trade. I got in on this candle. I'm thinking like, okay, I'm thinking the EMAs are about to cross under. Like we're already pretty bearish. We got this double top, and I kind of saw a head and shoulders pattern. So I took this sell right here on the break of this little resistance break right here. I took a sell. I was gonna hold to about like right here before I move my stops like down to halfway, but it didn't hit. We got completely faked out. It went all the way up. And then like once I saw that and I saw this candle just make indecision, I literally was like, all right, fuck Nas, I'm going here. I lost this trade actually too. I needed $160 to complete the account. I was on a 10K account. Then I lost $100 right here. A 10K account, you risk 1%. I lost $100 right here once this reversed right here. This candle stopped me out. This was the trade I took, but it literally stopped me out. No, it was literally not this trade. I did end up taking a Nasdaq sell eventually, but this is the one I got faked out. This candle right here, this 935 candle. I was rushing though. My fault, totally my fault. But sometimes on that momentum, this was a breakout trade. This is what I do every time. I saw this was, this was support. Look, support. Act as resistance, support. So I'm like, okay, if this breaks here, I'll take a buy. And then we kind of came back. I'm like, okay, it's gonna come back into this channel. We were already like, pretty bearish. I saw this little head and shoulders pattern, so I'm like, okay, I'm expecting a dip. But no, what this did is broke out and it retested this little trend line area. So right at this candle, once I was watching it for a little bit longer and I saw like a lot of indecision. Like it came all the way up here and then I saw it go all the way back down to here, and I'm like, okay. Nasdaq doesn't know what to do, so I went to US 30. And as you can see, around the 940, look, US 30, 940 around the time, so you guys know there's no cap. I took this buy right here. As you can see, we had a lot of, this was a key area right here. We broke through this key area. I saw these long wicks back. We already broke this little trend line. I should have took this at 930, but I don't typically trade US 30, so I was being a little patient on that. But US 30 did look cleaner. As you can see the difference between Nasdaq and US 30. This looked so cleaner. I should have traded this at first, but it's all right. I took an L and I still beat the account, so it's all right. As long as you can bounce back. So right here, I'm like, I was looking at the 1 minute. I always go down to the 1 minute when I'm scalping. I switched a lot. I switched to a time frame. So I saw we kind of got this. Once I saw this right here, I saw this little break. I saw this break right here, and then a retest of this little line right here. I saw the break, right? And then I saw it broke out. And I'm like, nah, I don't want to get in flying like that. So once price breathes, which it won't look like this on a 5 minutes, this was literally just be a wick. But that's why you come down to the 1 minute, And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna let price breathe. So what price did was it came down, it retested this area. And then we got a bullish engulfing candle, which engulfed these past 2 1 minute candles. So I'm like, okay, if it breaks this area, I'll get in for a buy. We're above the 9 EMA, green floating on top. We're bearish. We're very bearish. So I'm like, I feel confident taking this trade, and I held it all the way up to like this key. I said I was gonna hold to right here because that was my profit target, but eventually this will happen, y'all. So this happened in 1 minute too. Look at this candle. So it was right here, right? I'm like, oh, it's gonna hit my TP. Next candle, hey, that shit went. So I immediately hurried up and got out this trade. I closed this trade for about $150, which kind of broke me even for the day. So now I just needed what was I was down. I was at like 10,200 on my second phase. Once I did this, I was up like 10,350 ish, 10,300 around that area. So I'm like, okay. After that, I'm like, I said I was gonna complete the challenge today, so we're gonna do it still. So I closed this trade out. I went to NASDAQ. I left US 30 alone, luckily. I mean, no, I could have still cut the sell right here, but could have cut it down right here. But you know, it was just extremely bearish, and I saw NASDAQ gonna pick a direction yet. So look, as I go back to NASDAQ, right? I literally go back to NASDAQ. This shit had me so mad. It had me so mad, right, y'all? I went back to NASDAQ, right? And this candle, literally, after all this consolidate, I said I had I said if it breaks this area, I'll take a buy. Look what this candle did, y'all. One candle, bro. 5-minute candle, bro. Literally took off, bro. Literally. 25 pips. It literally took off. It hit a 1 to 3 in literally 5 minutes. I said, okay, fuck you, Nas. So once it did that, it literally reversed. It reversed, and I was like, okay. I'm like, okay. I still want to beat this account. So this is what I did. I saw this literally tanking. Let's see on the 1 minute if I can see it a little bit better. I saw this tanking right here, right? I'm like, okay, we're creating higher lows. We're creating lower lows now. So I got in about the it was like a break. I got in on a break. It wasn't this trade specifically. This was the trade I was gonna take with that one candle with the wick. But I got in on a NASDAQ trade and literally like a sell, and it literally oh yeah, right here, this break and retest right here with this engulfing candle. I got in. I said, okay, I'll get in right here. Cause you look at this as a respected area right here. I'm like, if it breaks this, I'll hop in. So that's what I did. I hopped in right there. We hit like a 1 to 3 on this. Literally, no, we hit a 1 to 3. I won $300 on this, but which finished the account. And then yeah, that was it. And that's how I completed the account, bro. The break and retest, as long as you got good risk to reward, guys, and you guys adjust your stop loss to, like, you know, control your losses, and, you know, as long as you're, you know, I'm on a 10K account, so I don't want to lose more than, you know, $200 to $300 a day. So I wasn't there yet. I lost $100 and I won my next trade. I said, worst come to worst, I'll break even. We'll start fresh next week and we'll beat the account next week. But this is what we did. It was a great trade though. As you can see, we came up to these areas. We were rejecting this EMA. We came down. We got this engulfing candle. Once we got that engulfing candle, I immediately hopped in. I hopped in, and as you can see, the shit tunked. And then I caught that sell because, you know, I know this shit had to breathe, and I was expecting sales anyway all day, bro. So literally, as you can see, look at the difference between the buys, well, not that candle. Look at the buys and then the sales, bro. Like we're already bearish, bro. We're like at the top of the motherfucker. You look at this, like look at all this rejection, bro. Like the price is not pushing up, bro. Price literally wants to push down. So that's what it did, and that's what I caught. And as you can see, we did beat the account. Let's see. Let's see if I can look at this. Past challenges. Look. Success details. So you guys ain't no cap. Yeah, when I say I lost the NASDAQ. I said I lost that NASDAQ sell for about $130. I came back. I won the US 30. I kind of broke even, and I came back and hit this NASDAQ sell for about $200. So that's what happened that day, and we completed the account. So I'm waiting for them to fund me on this account. So see, average loss. Look, average loss $100, average win $200. That's what you guys should be hitting for, bro. It doesn't matter about the win rate. Win rate can be extremely low as long as your average win is more than your average loss. You'll be okay, you guys. And don't over trade. Don't kind of over leverage. As you can see, look at this. I lost. You can still look. I lost like 2 days in a row. No, not 2 days, like three days in a row, and I came back. We come back strong with these wins. That's what you got to do. Come back for 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. And that's what you do. It will always outweigh this. It will always outweigh these small losses. You know, this is, you know, you lose one, okay, you lost, and I lost another one. I lost 3 that day. Shit. Then I came back. I lost again. I lost again. And then I finally, the 20. Look, this is what happened. And the next day, look, then you get one. Then you get one. Then boom, I lost again. Then you get one. You get one. Another one. You feel me? It's that easy, you guys. That's the best strategy ever, bro. Breakouts 9:30. I'm so tired. Oh, my bad, bro. I think I got a baby on the way. Yeah, but that's all, you guys. Literally, I showed you guys the proof. If you guys want to learn how to trade, if you guys want to live trade with me in the morning, let me know. That's something I'll plan on starting. But right now, I'm just helping. I'm giving out knowledge for free, bro. I'm learning. You guys learning. We're learning. We're going crazy, bro. I'm under the sun right now, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I quit smoking weed, so I think my body is just extremely just detoxing in my body. Like, what the fuck going on? I used to smoke so much. I used to smoke fucking every day. The best strains are the best, you know. I'm being honest, bro. You know, we're not perfect. Straight from fucking Jamaica, nigga. Straight from Jamaica. Rastafarian, ya bubba clock, your ass clock. But anyways, though, y'all, that's that, bro. We beat another account. This is my second account I beat. Guys, this shit takes time. It's pretty simple though now. Once you get a hang of it, once you're disciplined, you guys let your stop loss get hit. Hold your trades, guys. Let your TPs get hit, guys. Hold these trades, bro. Always make sure your wins are bigger than your losses, bro. That's the biggest advice I could give you. All your wins have to be bigger than your losses, bro. And that's the key, bro. Anyways, though, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, how you're doing, bro. I'm so tired, bro. I actually had a live trading video. I was live trading when I did it. Like, I saw the Nasdaq trader. I had a funny ass reaction to that, but so they were connecting. They were doing something with the fucking power, so my computer cut off. So, but I'll just go over the trades later. And I'll beat the account. I'm not faking, guys. There's no guru. There's none of that, bro. This is literally legit, bro. Like, so hope next week. Well, tomorrow's Friday. If my account ready tomorrow, I might take one trade. I might take a couple light trades. Start risking like 0.5% now that I'm funded. That's what you guys want to do. Probably start risking like, you know, because I usually risk like $120 per trade, so I'll start risking like $80. You know, if I'm making 160 a day. Or, you know, I'm closing out 1 and 2s, even 1 and 3s. I'm making still like $250 a day, guys. That replaces a job right there, and that's powerful. And I'm gonna use that money to reinvest into larger accounts, you guys. And that's literally my game plan. I've been winning so much. I have got so much better at trading, guys. It takes time. It takes discipline. You guys gotta be disciplined, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's all it is, bro. You have to be disciplined, man. That's it, bro. Like, there's nothing else I can tell y'all but be disciplined. I'm being honest, bro. That's it, bro. Hold your trades, bro. This shit ain't no special strategy. It is a special strategy, but you know, you gotta just use technical analysis, bro. You gotta use these break and retests along with breakouts and stuff, bro, on a smaller time. So basically, a breakout will happen on a bigger time frame, like the 5 minute. But if you look on the 1 minute, it was a break and retest, and it shows you guys. You guys gotta read through this. If you guys just want to live trade with me so you can see how I trade, bro, I've been literally trading for fucking 2 years straight, bro. I failed a shit ton of accounts, bro. Like, and I finally got the hang of it. I see what works now. And the market's pretty good this year. You know, Trump is in office, so everybody is fucking with the market right now. So yeah, we're gonna see, guys. You gotta have a good day though, bro. I'm tired, bro. Y'all stay blessed up, man.